Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch a video to the end. All these things I appreciate. Check out all the media. Okay, so today is the announcement of the winners of the NFTs. As I stated earlier in my videos, we're going to have one for the Discord and then one as well on Twitter. So, the Twitter one is going to be Black number 2, and the winner is going to be Wawa. So the winner's Wawa. And the one for Twitter is winner's going to be NFT Sugar 2. Okay, so that's the winner for the NFT. The NFT Sugar 2 is the winner of the purple one, and um, Wawa. Wawa is the winner of the Wawa. Wawa is the winner of the black one. Okay, so if you'll message me on the appropriate platform, Wawa, make sure you message me on Discord. If you'll DM me, and NFT Sugar 2, NFT Sugar 2. If you will message me on Twitter, so that I know it's from your account and all that kind of stuff, so I know it's appropriate account. This video when I produce it, I will also tag you in it as well and post it on Twitter, and Wawa, I'll tag you up. Tag you in Discord. Okay, so that's our giveaway for today. These NFTs, we've had them for sale, and I tell you the truth, I don't even know if any of them's left or not. I need to check on it, but at the end of next week, if there's any left, then we're going to burn them. So that's going to be the end of it. So if you want one, then make sure that you go ahead and get one, because they're going to be burnt at the end of next week if there's any left. Again, I haven't checked on it, so last time I checked there was a couple, but that was a couple days ago as well. It was the beginning of last week. So make sure if you want one, you get one. That policy, that address is on Discord. You can find it on my Twitter. You also can find it on Magic Square NFT's Twitter, and they're often a little special. So make sure you check that out. And then we're going to release our next NFT here coming up. We've hit that 3,000 subscriber mark again, so we're going to go ahead and give the 3,000 subscriber NFT away, and go from there. And we've been approved. We've got the series set on JPEG Store, so if you want to post them for sale or look for them for sale in there, then they should be on JPEG Store. All right. Okay, y'all are beautiful, and I will see you next time.